How to connect the JLab Go Air Sport wireless Bluetooth earphones to a Samsung phone with either Android 14, 15, or 16. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, before doing anything with your Samsung phone or any other Android phone that you have, make sure the JLab has battery life. Make sure you have some charge in this thing here. Next thing, you want to also make sure these are not already connected to another device, because when you take them out of the case, they will go ahead and reconnect to any nearby devices. Okay, so with all that said and done, while they are in the case itself, you're going to take them out together at the same time. This is going to initiate pairing mode, and also they'll sync into each other. That's why you want to get them out together at the same time. So go ahead and just pop them out like this here. Just remove them from the charging pins there together at the same time. And what you'll notice now is there is this blinking light on one side, and one will have a steady lit white light. Okay, so this is the one with the steady lit white light, and then this is the one with the blue white blinking light. When you get it to do this, that's basically the pairing mode, and that's what you want it to do. So go ahead now and rest them down, or you can put them in your ears if you want. And now on your Samsung phone, go ahead and use the quick access. And usually when you're pairing something for the first time, you want to long press the Bluetooth toggle, then go to where it says details. This is going to give you a better view of what's going on, and turn it on from here. And as you turn it on, it will start searching for nearby devices. So just give it a few seconds and wait for it to pick up the JLab Go Air Sport. And it's this one right here. So go ahead and tap on it once. It'll say pairing. You'll get that pairing request. And when you see it, go ahead and press pair. Now, if it doesn't work the first time, just turn off the Bluetooth and turn it back on again. Just make sure these JLabs are in pairing mode. That's the key here. And then when you see it, press pair, and it'll show that it's connecting, and you'll see that it's connected for calls and audio. And to know if they're actually connected fully, you'll notice that the blue blinking lights are no longer there. The blue white blinking lights are no longer there. And now you can also go in and turn on any settings that might not be on. So go to settings here, and if the calls and audio is not enabled, just go ahead and turn that on. You can also rename them if you want to, like and sub.